Hey, Danix Fluid Power here. Today we're going to show you the economy launcher from Ultra Clean, and you can simply buy one launcher or the entire kit with 7 nozzles. And the economy launcher can clean any type of hose tube from 4 millimeter to 32 millimeter, which is 1¼ inch. It's easy to use simply by swiveling off the locking ring. Choose the correct size of the nozzle, insert into the locking ring, put the projectile into the nozzle, swivel on, and there you go. Ultra Clean comes with 3 types of nozzles. One is the universal nozzle, and also called hose nozzle, that used for hose. And the second nozzle is for metric tubes, as well as the nozzle for imperial tubes, as well as JIC fittings. Now let's go down and fire some projectiles and see how it works. Now let's shoot one projectile. As you can see, it's pretty dirty. Now we shoot another projectile, and we shoot from the other side of the hose. As you can see, the second projectile is much cleaner. Here's a closer look at the projectiles. Normally, a hose can be cleaned by 2 projectiles.